Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the water aficionado JC, and on this channel we usually talk about ways to improve your health and wellness and quality of life. And if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. So today we're going to get back into the Lifewave X39 patches, which is a breakthrough in the wellness industry. And it actually helps your body activate your own stem cells for healing and rejuvenation. But here's the thing. If you're not using it correctly, you might not be getting the results that you're hoping for. And today, I'll be sharing some common mistakes that people make when trying out the X39, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm saving a little known tip that can really speed up your results. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So the first mistake that people make is inconsistent use. I've seen this happen to so many people. You start using the X39, you're all excited, but then you miss a day there, maybe you skip a few days, and unfortunately, this can really affect how well the patch works for you. You see, the X39 is designed to be worn daily for 12 hours on, 12 hours off. And if you're skipping days or forgetting to put it on, you're not really allowing the patch to fully activate your body's natural stem cells. So it's kind of like going to the gym. You won't see results if you only go once in a while, right? So here's a tip. Set a daily reminder on your phone or make it part of your morning routine and keep the patches somewhere where you'll see them, right next to your toothbrush. Making it part of your morning routine will help you stay consistent. And here, consistency is the secret sauce. Mistake number 2 is not placing the patch in the right spots. So the X39 works best when it's applied to certain acupressure points on the body, like right on the back of the neck or just below your belly button. These spots are scientifically proven to deliver the best results. And those are the areas where the X39 earned its 20-year patent after investing over 10 years and $4.5 million in research. Now you can technically place the patches anywhere on the body, but those key spots really help maximize its effectiveness. And if you've been putting the patch on random places, you might not be getting the full effects. Stick around because later I'll be sharing a little known tip how to enhance the patch's effects even more by combining it with something that you probably already have at home. All right, mistake number 3. This one is super common. People expect instant results, and I get that. We all want quick fixes, right? Especially when it comes to feeling better or anything to improve our health. But the X39 is not magic, it's science. It's about helping your body heal itself. And that takes time. Some people report feeling changes within a few days, but for most, it can take a few weeks or even longer. It all depends on your body and what you're using the patches for. So if you're trying to fix long-term issues, give it some time. Be patient, trust the process. If you've been using it for a week or 2, and you're not feeling anything yet, that's totally normal too. Keep going. I've seen people experience amazing transformations after just 30 days using Lifewave X39 patches. Mistake number 4 is not staying hydrated. This one might surprise you, but hydration plays a huge role in how effectively the X39 works. The patch helps activate your stem cells, but your body needs plenty of filtered water to support that process. Here's a little side note for all of you coffee and tea drinkers. Coffee and tea might actually dehydrate you if that's the only thing that you drink throughout the day. Think of it like this. If your body is dehydrated, your cells can't function at their best. Drinking enough water helps the patch do its job. I recommend aiming for at least half of your body weight as ounces of water, filtered water a day, especially if you're active or you live in a hot climate. Here's an example. If you're 140 pounds, that would be 70 ounces of filtered water daily. By the way, if you stick around until the end, I'm going to be sharing a quick hack that you can use the patch with to maximize hydration and enhance your results even further. And mistake number 5 is giving up way too soon. This is probably the most heartbreaking mistake because I know that people can get discouraged if they're not seeing immediate results. But remember, everyone's body is different. The X39 is not a quick fix, but it is a powerful tool when used consistently. Stick with it for at least 90 days before deciding if it's working for you. A little patience here goes a very long way. Mistake number 6 is wearing the patch for too long. Some people think that wearing the patch for more than 12 hours will give them better results. But that's not how it works. In fact, leaving it on for too long can reduce its effectiveness. The patch should be worn for a maximum of 12 hours, then give your body a break for 12 hours. Believe it or not, but that downtime is just as important as when the patch is on, so don't skip it. Mistake number 7 is using other products on the same area where you plan to place your patch. So if you're applying lotions, oils, creams on the area where you plan on placing your patch, it will interfere with the patch's adhesive and how well it works. So to get the best results, always apply the patch to clean, dry skin. This helps ensure maximum contact and maintains the intended effect. Mistake number 8 is not tracking your progress. The changes that the X39 brings can be subtle at first, like improved sleep, increased energy, or reduced pain. If you're not tracking these small wins, you might not notice them. So I recommend keeping a journal or even just jotting down some notes on your phone. And when you look back after a few weeks or months, you'll be amazed at the difference. Mistake number 9 is applying used patches, and I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you shouldn't do that. Reason number 1. The Lifewave X39 patches work by reflecting certain wavelengths of light back into your skin, which stimulates specific biological processes like activating stem cells, elevating copper peptides. Each patch is embedded with organic crystals that interact with your body's heat to reflect this light. Over the course of the recommended 12-hour wear time, the materials in the patch deplete their effectiveness. And reusing it means it won't have the same power or ability to stimulate your body's natural healing processes. Second reason is once the patch is removed from the skin, the adhesive becomes less effective. This means if you try to reuse it, it might not stick properly onto your skin, compromising both comfort and performance. Third reason why you shouldn't reuse a patch is after a patch has been worn, it may come into contact with sweat, oils, and bacteria from your skin. Reapplying a used patch could reintroduce these contaminants back onto your skin, which gives you an increased risk of irritation or even infection. The fourth reason is the primary mechanism for the patch is based on reflecting light from your body back into the skin. As the patch is used, this process diminishes because the crystals in the patch gradually lose their ability to reflect the light optimally. Let's get into mistake number 9. Not using enough patches for chronic issues. So if you're dealing with something serious like chronic pain or a long-term health issue, using just one patch might not be enough. People need to use more than one patch or just use additional Lifewave patches alongside the X39. And to give your body a proper chance, you should patch consistently for 1 month for each decade that you're alive. And finally, mistake number 10, not considering detox effects. Some people experience mild discomfort like headaches or fatigue when they first start using a patch. This is actually a good thing. It means that your body is detoxing. So don't be alarmed if you feel a little off at first, because these symptoms usually go away after a few days as your body adjusts. Just make sure that you're drinking plenty of filtered water to help you flush out those toxins. Again, I recommend tracking your progress. You might not notice small improvements at first, like the better sleep, more energy, reduced pain, brain fog usually goes away. Those are all signs that the patch is working, even if the big changes take a little bit longer. So don't give up after just a couple of weeks. I promise you, if you're consistent and patient, the results will come. Some people notice dramatic changes after 30 days, others after 60. Trust the process. Give your body the time that it needs to heal. All right, if you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me. And as promised, here's a bonus tip that can really enhance your experience with the X39. Here's the trick. You combine hydration with a structured water or a pinch of high quality Celtic or Pink Himalayan, Baja Gold sea salt, which all these can help your body absorb water more effectively. This means your cells will stay hydrated longer, which can and will boost the patch's ability to activate those stem cells. You don't need a lot, just a pinch in your water throughout the day. Try this out. Take a teaspoon of the Celtic sea salt in the morning, mix it into 1 to 2 liters of filtered water, whatever your taste can handle, shake it up and drink that throughout the day. And let me know if you notice the difference. Hydration is essential, and this little hack can really take things to the next level for you if that's what you're looking for. So there you have it, the 10 most common mistakes that people make when they Lifewave. And now you know exactly how to avoid them. And if you've been making any of these mistakes, don't worry. You can start fixing them today and start seeing even better results. If you choose to comment on your experiences below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and wellness. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Are you using the X39? What has your experience been like? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.